Good evening, YouTube. Dave here, bringing you another episode of the life of a farmer. In just these few minutes, be right back. Been a quiet afternoon here at the ranch. And just hope it stays that way. Good afternoon, YouTube. Dave here, bringing you another episode of the life at the ranch. Now, there's something awkward over there, or unless it's my vision. Is there somebody in the middle of the road? Let's go check.
Oh my God.
That's an awkward place to be jogging out here.
I'm sorry?
It's an awkward place to be jogging out here.
I've been doing almost since I was in high school. I'm 25 now.
Oh.
Almost all my life. So.
Do you live around this area?
I live in the other side.
On the other side? Okay.
Yeah. Know where Paloma del Valle is at?
Yeah.
Yeah, I live in those houses over there. I usually drive, my car's right there parked.
Just be careful because there's a lot of illegal activity in this area.
A what?
Illegal activity?
Like?
Human trafficking?
Oh. Yeah, I see Border Patrol in the morning, so. All right, sir.
All right.
Have a good one.
Yes. As I was saying earlier, sometimes we bump into people. Not that very much. I haven't seen anybody jogging. Anyways, there's a lot of citrus in this particular area. Citrus trees, orange trees, grapefruit trees, valley lemons. But there's also a lot of dangers out here. We're coming up to an area where it's very easy for undocumented people to cross by to avoid law enforcement. These areas are very well hidden away from the city. Pretty much a turnaround where they wouldn't be spotted from the state, local, or federal police. But, and I'm not saying that undocumented aliens or people are bad people. I'm sure they want to have a life of their own, support their families, bring money home. You know, the U.S. dollar is still considered, in this part of the world, considered the most powerful item of value, the U.S. dollar. U.S. dollar costs more than the U.S. peso, than the Mexican peso, or any other country's peso that's close by, with the exception, and I'm saying that for this area because I still think that the euro probably costs more than $1, but that's in Europe. We're talking about just here in the sense of the United States, here in Texas, basically. It's quite amazing that we have to be on the alert. Also, we as farmers have to do our part also. We cannot just depend on the government or on the state or on the local police or the county to make sure that this area is safe. We as farmers have to do our part also, because it's our county. It's the place where we live. It's the place where our kids get to grow up and know that they're safe. Anyways, I'm trying to run here real quick. Maybe it'll help if my anyways, we come upon these areas where there's a lot of citrus going on.